Shoot! WHC! What are you showing? There we go. What is this?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Norman
southeastern
SVR.
Rogers County in western Oklahoma, western Custer County in western Oklahoma, northeastern Beckham County in western Oklahoma, until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:11 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Cheyenne, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Butler, Foss Reservoir, Moorwood, and Berlin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Three headers.